Welcome to our channel where we make Magento easy to master and your login process seamless. Welcome to our channel where we make Magento easy to master and your login process seamless. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step method to log into your Magento account effortlessly. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Magento website or the specific URL for your Magento admin panel. Once on the login page, locate the username or email field and enter the credentials you set up during your Magento registration. Next, move to the password field and carefully input your password, ensuring there are no typos as passwords are case-sensitive. After entering your credentials, double-check for accuracy to prevent login errors. Now, simply click the Sign In or Login button to proceed. If your details are correct, you'll be redirected to your Magento dashboard where you can manage your store settings, inventory, and more. In case you've forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link on the login page. Click it and follow the instructions to reset your password securely via email. It's a straightforward process designed to keep your account protected. Remember, always keep your login information confidential and avoid using public computers or unsecured networks when accessing your Magento account to maintain security. That's all there is to it, a quick, easy, and secure way to access your Magento backend without hassle. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tutorials like this one.